Into the mountain, but when them come this side,